Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Everything Under 5 Minutes. This video is about project management, and today we'll learn: what is project management? What is the scope of project management? What is the process of project management? What are the tools used in project management? And finally, what are the knowledge areas in project management? So, let's get straight to it. What is project management? Well, in simple terms, project management as a discipline refers to the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities in order to meet project requirements and objectives. It is a systematic approach to planning, organizing, and controlling resources, procedures, and protocols to achieve specific goals. To look at more comprehensively, the discipline of project management involves the use of methodologies, frameworks, and best practices to guide the execution and delivery of a project. It also includes the monitoring and control of project progress, as well as the identification and management of any risks or issues that may arise. Overall, project management as a discipline is designed to help ensure the successful completion of a project within scope, on time, and within budget. Now that we know what is project management, let's look at the scope of project management. Organizations, both government and private sector, use project management to achieve specific goals and objectives that align with their overall strategy and mission. Project management provides a structured approach to planning, executing, and delivering projects, which helps organizations to improve efficiency and productivity, enhance communication and collaboration, increase accountability, manage risk, and finally, improve decision making. This brings us to the process of project management. The process of project management typically involves the following 5 steps. First is project initiation, in which the project is defined and its objectives are established. Second being project planning, in which a detailed plan for the project is developed, including tasks, resources, timelines, and budgets. Third step is project execution, in which the project is executed according to the plan, with tasks being assigned and completed. Fourth step is project monitoring and control, in which the project progress is monitored and controlled to ensure that it stays on track and that any deviations are addressed. And finally, the fifth and final step is project closure, in which the project is completed and its deliverables are delivered to the stakeholders. Now, looking at the tools that are commonly used in project management. A project manager or a project management team may use one of these tools or a combination of these tools based on the requirements of their organization or project. Gantt charts: it is a graphical representation of a project's tasks, resources, and timelines. It helps to visualize the project schedule and track progress. Network diagrams is a visual representation of the project's activities and dependencies. It helps to identify and manage the critical path of a project. Work breakdown structure or WBS is a hierarchical breakdown of the project's tasks and deliverables. It helps to organize and manage the project's scope. Earned value management or EVM is a technique used to measure project performance. It helps to track progress and determine if the project is on schedule and within budget. Project management software: there are many project management software available in the market like Asana, Trello, Basecamp, Jira, and MS Project, etc. These software provide an easy way to manage project tasks, timelines, resources, and communication. Agile tools: for Agile methodology, there are tools like Scrum, Kanban, Lean, etc., which are widely used. These tools provide a framework for managing and delivering projects in an iterative and incremental way. Finally, let's have a look at the knowledge areas in project management. There are 10 knowledge areas that are essential to the successful management of a project. These knowledge areas are: 1. Project integration management. This knowledge area focuses on the processes required to ensure that the various elements of the project are properly coordinated. 2. Project scope management. This knowledge area deals with the processes required to define, plan, and control the project's scope. 3. Project time management. This knowledge area deals with the processes required to manage the project's schedule. 4. Project cost management. This knowledge area deals with the processes required to manage the project's budget. 5. Project quality management. This knowledge area deals with the processes required to ensure that the project's deliverables meet the project's quality standards. 6. Project resource management. This knowledge area deals with the processes required to manage the project's resources, including human resources, equipment, and materials. 7. Project communications management. This knowledge area deals with the processes required to manage project communications. 8. Project risk management. It is the systematic process of identifying, analyzing, and responding to potential risks that may impact the success of a project. 9. Project procurement management, the systematic process of identifying, analyzing, and responding to potential risks that may impact the success of a project. It involves evaluating the likelihood and impact of each risk and developing strategies to minimize or mitigate their effects. 10. Project stakeholder management, the process of engaging and managing the expectations and interests of all parties involved in or affected by a project. We hope you had fun learning about project management, and we'll keep bringing new videos for you every week. If you want us to make a video on a topic of your choice, leave a comment in the comment box or DM us on our Instagram page at Everything Under 5 Minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.